Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. The alphabets of J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. The alphabets of R. And U is red color. Red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and lastly draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.